Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how to fix overheating issue on iPhone after update. Expressing overheating issue on your iPhone after a software update can be frustrating. Overheating can be caused by a variety of factors including background process, apps and environmental conditions. Here are some steps to help you resolve overheating problem on your iPhone after an update. First of all, you have to check for app updates. After a major iOS update, some apps may not be optimized for the new version. Ensure that your all apps are up to date. Simply open your App Store, then tap on your profile picture and then scroll down to see available updates and update the apps. After updating your all apps, then you have to close the background apps. Close up running in the background Close apps running in the background, especially resource intensive ones like gaming or streaming app. Simply swipe up from the bottom of your screen to access the app switcher, then swipe apps away to close them. After this, then you have to restart your iPhone. Restarting your iPhone to clear any temporary glitch or process that may be causing the overheating. Simply tap on your settings, then go back, then go to your general, then scroll down and tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. For restarting your iPhone, then you have to disable background app refresh. Simply you have to again go to your general, then tap on background app refresh. Again tap on background app refresh, and if it's disabled, if it's unable, then simply disable it. After disabling it and you're still facing the same issue, then you have to check for software update. Make sure your has the latest iOS update installed. Software updates often include bug fixes and optimization that can improve device performance and address overheating issues. For doing this, simply you have to go back and then go to software update and see if is any update available for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. After updating your iPhone and you're still facing the same issue again and again, then you have to try last solution, reset all settings. You can try resetting all settings on your iPhone. This won't erase your data but will reset all system settings to their default. Simply go back and then scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.